Hold on to your seat, folks. We are taking a journey from oil to Nurdle, the life of a plastic water bottle. Our story begins with oil. Oil is made up of many fractions. These fractions have different properties, therefore they can be used for many different applications. Approximately 4% of the fractions within oil can be used to make plastic. In order to separate these fractions, the oil first goes through a distillation process where it is turned into gas, then condensed down at specific temperatures to extract and separate these fractions. The fraction used for plastic is called naphtha. Now we have the right chemical for plastic, but we aren't quite plastic yet. First, our naphtha undergoes cracking. This is a heating and splitting process which breaks it down into smaller hydrocarbons such as ethylene, propylene, and butylene. Next, these hydrocarbons are polymerized, where the individual molecules are linked together to form chains. There are hundreds of different polymers, all with unique physical characteristics, but all are categorized into two main groups, thermoplastics and thermosets. As a plastic water bottle, we are a thermoplastic with a molecular makeup of polyethylene terephthalate, PET. Our molecules are only held together by weak London dispersion forces. Therefore, we are easily malleable and can be melted and reshaped an indefinite amount of times. Our sisters in the thermoset family can withstand high temperatures since they are chemically bonded together, but are therefore not remeltable or formable. We must travel now to an industry which melts us and pours us into molds, then hardens us back up to form small test tube-like objects called preforms. As a preform, we are sold to the bottling company where we are blown up with a little bit of heat, filled, capped, labeled, packaged, and transported, in some cases overseas, to a supplier or store, and eventually our customer. A very high energy demanding process. Approximately 1/3 of a water bottle's worth of oil is required to make it from hydrocarbon to house. The water has been emptied from us, hopefully thoroughly enjoyed by someone. Now what happens? We're empty. Luckily for 40%, our life does not end on the sidewalk, river, stream, landfill, or ocean where we release toxic chemicals into the environment and ecosystem. For 40%, our properties are taken advantage of. We're collected and separated by color and type, ground into cornflakes, then washed and dried. We're heated under a vacuum, making us squeaky clean, then melted down and formed into tiny Nurdles. As Nurdles, we can be melted down again and injected into molds, extruded by machines, pressed into specialized presses, and that's just the beginning. We can be made back into bottles, fabric, pens, bumpers, reusable bags, luggage racks, automotive parts, industrial strapping, carpeting. The possibilities are endless. Our lives will never end. We want to continue to be used. Please let us turn into Nurdles and recycle. Who knows what the future will hold?